An escalator in a department store is to carry people a vertical distance of 25 feet between floors. How long is the escalator? If it makes an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. From the diagram of 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees triangle, recall the side that is adjacent to the 30 degrees, 30 here. And then the longest is going to be 2. The other leg is going to be 1. And then all multiplied by the quantity x to be the general pattern of the 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. You are going to find out what is 2x. So we are going to look for 2x. Okay, let's put a number in. A vertical distance 25 feet between floor. So that means x is 25. If x is 25, so 2x gonna be 2 times 25, or 50. That's the answer. Next one, through how many degrees does the hour hand of a clock move in 5 hours? Let's draw a clock. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From here to here. Okay. Let's say it takes 12 hours for the full revolution, or the 360 degrees. Therefore, it goes by 360 degrees divided by 12, or 30 degrees for every hour. Therefore, in 5 hours, the hour hand will move to 30 degrees times 5, or 150 degrees. Here's another example. The roof of a house is to extend up. The height is equals 13.5 feet above the ceiling. 13.5, which is L, or the length of 36 feet. Here's an example. The roof of the house is to extend up. H equals 13.5 feet above the ceiling, which is the length L equals 36 feet across, forming an isosceles triangle. Find the length of one side of the roof. So just redraw the diagram. Make it easier to compute. So extended 13.5, where the length across is 36, and we're going to find x. If we extract it out, only a half of only one part of the whole triangle. The height here 13.5. Another example, the roof of a house is to extend up h equals 13.5 feet above the ceiling, which is the length L equals 36 feet across, forming an isosceles triangle. Find the length of one side of the roof. Let's redraw the part of the roof there. Extended up 13.5 feet, and the length across is 36. That means a half of it is 36 divided by 2, or 18. We are going to find the length of the roof. As you see, it's formed the right triangle, which is a half of the isosceles triangle. For any right triangle, we can apply the Pythagorean theorem to find one of the sides, as long as we know two of them. So, by the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Remember, c always the longest. The longest is x, so x squared. The a and b are the two legs, which is 18 squared and 13.5 squared. Simplify the numbers. 13.5 squared is 182.25. 18 squared gives you 324 equals x squared. So therefore, the x squared is 5 or 6.25 equals x squared. Take square root both sides, returns x equals 22.5 feet as the result.